Hey, this is Barath Surendran. Welcome to this recording. And My name is Barath Surendran. I'm a digital marketing consultant, an entrepreneur, a trainer, author, and a speaker. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you uh, an overview on what exactly digital marketing is all about. And before that, I would like to actually give a kind of a brief introduction about myself. I'm Barath Surendran, as I told you. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a digital marketing consultant and trainer. Currently, I'm doing this particular project with a company called KM Biomed. So I'm currently the digital marketing strategist and chief consultant to KM Biomed, which is a biomedical company. They have a brand called Get Well. So we are working on that particular brand at this point of time. And for the last 2 years, I've been an external digital marketing consultant and a trainer to the Times of India group. And uh, That's what I've been doing. And I have been doing a lot of training programs, of course, with so many others, as well as particularly Madras Management Association. I used to do a lot of programs for them, and also training and the consulting assignments. And this is my academic qualification. So I'm basically an engineer and a postgraduate in management, and I also have an executive certification from Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore. So that is a small um, gist about my credentials, and of course I have done a lot of various other certifications. I've done HubSpot inbound certification. I have done HubSpot content marketing certification. I've done HubSpot growth driven design and various other certification programs. I've done so many other train the trainer programs. Uh, so, uh, so I've done a lot of certifications as well. So these are the consulting companies. These are the companies where I have done consulting work and the training and various other things, whatever I have done. So this is a list, maybe a partial list, in fact. Okay, then this is what about me. And today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually give you a overview on what is digital marketing, and in particular, right? In particular, there are three topics which I'm gonna will give an idea, but most importantly, I'm going to cover the so-called the brand building. Now, if you look at digital marketing as such, digital marketing, if you look at digital marketing, I recently did even a program video on this same topic. So, digital marketing, there are two things to it. If you take two things, one is the brand building, that is a very long-term focused activity. Another is the ROI based marketing. Now, if you take what exactly these two things are, if you look at, one is ROI based marketing, another is so called your brand building. When I say what is brand building, now we say brand building is a process of you know making sure that your brand is known in your consumer's mind. So it is a process of positioning your brand in the minds of the consumer. That's what branding is all about. Now, when you say online, how do you think you can do this? Online, if you can do that, you have to use somewhere the other a channel of marketing. In traditional medium, how the branding is normally happen, how it is done, is they come out with a what are the key important attributes that the brand stands for, and then they come out with a message, and through the right media or the channels, so-called channels of communication, the brand is built. Now, if you have to build a brand, all you have to have is you have to have Number one, what is the message? Number one. Number two, what are the channels of communication that I have to choose? If you choose digital medium, then through digital medium, what is the channel I'm going to have? Is I'm going to use, number one is the search mechanism. When you say search mechanism, what do I mean? It is called search engine. And on the search engine, you can do something called the search engine optimization. And this search engine optimization, if you see, there are two steps to it. There are two things to it. One is the on-page optimization, which is something which we do on the website. Number one, what do you do on the website? Okay. Number two, what do you do outside the website? There are two activities which I'm going to do outside my website. Outside my website. These are the two activities which I have to really focus on. And of course, the if you have to be successful on the search engine optimization, it is a mandatory thing that I have to do the social media optimization, because social media backlinkings that I do helps me in my off-page optimization, so that the SEO ranks of my web pages will actually improve over a period of time. So these things, the fundamental, the key ingredient for any brand building to really happen, is to really look at, is nothing but the content part. Content becomes the king. The content becomes king. If I have to have content, what is that? There is a whole lot of process involved in creating content. So whole lot of process involved in creating content. And I would say it all starts from research. It all starts from research and finding and collecting right information and curating this content and creating a document, master documentation that normally happens with any content creation process. And that content actually goes on repurposing into different forms and different types. And it also goes into a calendar, it goes to a schedule. Now, this entire process is what it's all about. Brand building is all about. And this is like so simple, like the concepts can be actually made it sure that this is what the brand building activity that we are supposed to do. But executing that into a day-to-day schedule, day-to-day manner, is not an easy task. If I have to really do that, there is a whole lot of discipline that involves in actually going and doing the so-called the content marketing. Because the content marketing, what exactly happens is the research becomes a great, very, very tedious work in actually going and finding the right kind of content. That is one. Number two is you have to have subject matter expertise. You have to have subject matter experts who have to work in creating the content. If you really look at content, content is always a collaborative effort. It is not somebody, a single man can't really probably create content. Or if you're working with a client, normally the content has to come from your client, from your client's company, from your different departments in the company, people who are experts in the industry, expert in that particular field, and so on. So it's a more a collaborative effort, and it is a very, you need to have a lot of patience, dedication, and you have to really be, in fact, patience is the key. Patience is the key, and you have to make sure that these content comes into picture. Then, of course, the content has to be repurposed into different forms, and those things have to actually go feed into various other channels, particularly the social media, and of course on the web pages and articles and posts and so on and so forth. So this is what is about brand building. And in this video, I actually wanted to record this information, particularly on the brand building aspect. In fact, people who want to learn brand building in a different, in a sense, looking at not just this information, but actually going deeper into brand building. What are the things that you need to know? If you really look at it, so brand building has so many different elements to it. In fact, when you create a brand, you have to actually get into the minds of the consumer. And how do you do that? How do you position it? In those things aspects, if people want to learn, can always contact me. I am Barath Surendran. My number is 9440633345. You can reach me. You can also probably go to my blog, which is minimbamillionaire.com. You can also visit my website, bharatsurendran.com, barathsurendran.com. In bharatsurendran.com, I have created lot of free downloads, lot of free stuff I'm giving away. I think I intend to give in more of it, of course. Even this particular video should be, of course, uploaded in bharatsurendran.com. So what I wish is people take advantage of all my information. You can actually reach out to me. You can also probably come to a training program of mine. Okay, so that's what it's about. And next important thing, I would like to probably give a small uh, introduction that I'm actually planning this particular workshop. It is actually digital marketing training where I'm going to teach what is digital marketing, why you need to do digital marketing, what are the 5 important things that you need to learn in digital marketing, and how to create a a Facebook page, and how to create a Facebook ad, how to create this ad copy, which would be able to generate traffic and, of course, create leads, and how to convert those leads using your sales funnels. So this is a program which I'm planning. You will be able to understand what is advantages, how to do targeting, how to do your budgeting, and how to do pinpoint targeting, of course. So you'll be learning a whole lot of important things that you need to know how to actually win in a digital marketing space. And of course, I'm going to give you a lot of information about the funnels, and this is what it's all about: how to generate leads and how to convert them into customers. So these are the things that you're going to learn about: the copy, about the channel, about marketing psychology, about selling skills, about strategy. So all these entire things we're going to teach in 2 week duration, Monday to Friday, every day 1 hour session. The program is going to start. The original value of the program is actually 12,000 rupees, but for people we are actually offering it for just 3,000 only. And people who want to take this advantage of this particular offer, please do so. And it starts on 26th of April. It's going to go for 2 weeks duration. So that's it about. So see you all. And how do you sign up for this program? Of course, you should actually go to bharatsurendran.com. There you have this particular link to actually buy that particular this program. So you can actually go to a browser and probably just type in bharatsurendran.com. You will be able to get it. Yes, so that's what it's all about. I can actually show you. Yes, show you how to go and buy this program. You can actually go to online. bharatsurendran.com, All you have to do is just go to this website. So it goes to my Insta Mojo page. So it goes to my Insta Mojo page where you could actually go and um, just book your slot for this program. Yeah. So let me just wait till it gets loaded. So it's getting loaded. So this is where this program, currently my internet is slightly slow. So let me just hold on for some more moments. So this is where you can actually go and buy this program. This is the fundamentals, the ultimate digital marketing strategies, ROI based digital marketing. It's 3,000 rupees. So I want you people, welcome you to join this program immediately. And thank you very much. See you all in the program.